Innovation is the ability to see changes as an opportunity, not a threat. Let's imagine a world where every piece of data is securely stored, easily be accessible, efficiently managed. That would be the promise of Microsoft for the SQL Server. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the system databases like MSDB and TEMPDB. And this is the part 3 of my system databases. And my name is Kamran Hussain. So let's start. So third system database of SQL Server is MSDB. Uh, that is used for several SQL Server components such as the SQL Server agent services and addition to the SQL Server configuration, task information, replication, log shipping, and maintenance plan data are stored in the MSDB database. And it also supports the various administrative tasks which include job scheduling, maintenance plan, and database backup and restoration. Now, MSDB database also manage the database mail feature, which allow the SQL server to send the emails. And the configuration setting this mail account, profile, and mail queue are stored in the MSDB. And the SSIS is SQL Server Integration Services Packages. Its SIS is installed and used in SQL Server instance. So MSDB store the information about SSIS packages, this configuration and execution history. So it's particularly for the tasks related to the automation, monitoring, and maintenance. It's important to ensure that the MSDB is regular backup along with the other database to prevent database loss in case of server failure and disaster recovery scenario. And also the one of the most important database is TEMPDB. It's a system database used to store the temporary objects, intermediate results, and other temporary data generated by the SQL Server operations. So the TimeDB performance and configuration are essential for the consideration for the ensuring optimal database performance and scalability, especially in the environment where the heavy usage of temporary object and the large sorting operations. So regularly monitoring and proper configuration of TimeDB can help avoid the issue related to the contention and insufficient space. We can also truncate the time db if we have a pressure of space. So we can also truncate the temp db by some command, and we can use dbcc shrink database command to shrink the time db size. And we can also shrink the specific temp file by the use of dbcc shrink file. And we can also configure the multiple temp files. There are many advantages of configure the multiple temp file. It will improve the performance by utilizing the multiple temp file. Um, so we can distribute the workload across the multiple disks, allowing to the uh, parallel processing and reducing the contention. So this can lead to the improve the query performance and overall system performance as well. And but we can use it for the increase the scalability as the workload on the system grow. Having the multiple temp file enable you to handle the higher concurrent user connections and larger data set. It provides scalability by allowing for the better utilization of the system resources. So we can shrink uh, all time database as well, and we can also shrink the each file one by one in the SQL server.